Hello friends. Welcome to the 24th episode of #Backlinks. In the last video I taught you to create contextual backlinks on 5 South American Gov and EDU websites. In today's video I will teach you to create 5 high-DA Dofollow contextual backlinks. I hope you have created all the backlinks till now and your SERP ranking must have improved a lot too. You can find all the backlinks in the daily link building guide. If you are new to link building, then you can refer to this guide to boost your SERP ranking. You can find the link to daily link building guide in the video description below. If you are new to #Backlinks, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you'll be able to create quality backlinks for your website and improve your website's SERP ranking. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. Our first website for today's episode is Activerain. By clicking on the Join Now button, you can proceed with the filling up of the registration form. Select Basic, Free, and Plan selection. After successful registration, when you log in, you have to go to My Home. There you have to click on the Edit option of My Profile. You will be taken to your profile page where you have to edit the Get to Know section, where you can write your content and place the contextual backlink. Your backlink will be ready as soon as you click on the Done Editing button above. Our second website is Adobe. Here, after creating an account, when you log in, you have to go to My Profile. You will be taken to your profile page where you have to click on Create New Discussion, after which you can write your content and place the contextual backlink. Your backlink will be ready as soon as you click on Post Discussion. Our third website is Cravado. After signing up here, when you log in, you have to click on the pages. After modifying the page properties, you have to edit the page. You can replace the content already written on the page with your own content and place a contextual backlink in the same content. Your backlink will be ready as soon as you click on Save, which you can check by clicking on View Live Version above. Our fourth website is Getbook. After signing up here, when you log in, you will go to your space. After providing the title and heading of your space, you can write your content and place a contextual backlink. In order to find the URL of your backlink, click on Publish above and select Public Invisibility, after which you will be able to see the URL of your backlink and get the link section below. Last but not the least, our fifth website is Baker Lab. Here, after creating an account, when you log in, you have to click on Teams in the community menu above. You will be taken to the Teams page where you will get the option to create your own team on scrolling down the page. By clicking on it, you have to give the name of your team and write your content in the description and place the contextual backlink. Your backlink will be ready as soon as you click on Create Team. I hope you must have got to learn a lot from today's video. You can post your doubts and demands in the comments section below, or you can message me in the WhatsApp group of #backlinks. Let's meet in the next video with something informative and something very interesting.